Hello everyone, welcome to Brainy Equations. Today we are going to solve a great Math Olympiad problem. So it is a polynomial of degree 5. We are given that x raised to power 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have to find out the roots of x. So in this question we will use a very well-known identity called the polynomial identity. This identity we are going to use to solve this question. So this identity look like x power n minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 bracket close bracket x power n minus 1 plus x n minus 2 plus so on until 1. So we are going to use this identity to solve this question to find out the roots of x. So when we will use this identity, we will write the equation as x minus 1 bracket close bracket x power 4 plus x power 3 plus x power square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we will get x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x4 plus x3 plus x2 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So from x minus 1 we will get x is equal to 1. It is one real root of x. The other expression is a bit difficult. It is complicated, but we can find the roots of x from this expression. Here we will divide x, this expression with x square. So when we will divide, we can write x4 divided by x square plus x cube divided by x square plus x square divided by x square plus x divided by x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 0. So we will get x square plus x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 over x square is equal to 0. Because here we will divide x4 with x square, and here we will get x4, then x, then 1, and then 1 over x and 1 over x square. So we will group the same terms, x square plus 1 over x square bracket plus x plus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we will use a very well-known, very common formula of algebra: a plus b square whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we are going to use this formula here. We can take the square or whole square of x plus 1 over x. So we will write x plus 1 over x here. Whole square is equal to x square plus 2x times 1 over x plus 1 over x square. So we will get here x square plus 2 will be, x will be cancelled out with the other x, and we will get 2 plus 1 over x square. So here we will take 2 from right hand side to the left hand side, and what we will get then, x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 over x square. So we will substitute this value in the above expression, and then we will solve that expression. Actually, we will plug in this value here. So here in this expression, we will plug in the value of x square plus 1 over x square, and what we will get, here we are going to write what we will get. Yes, x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2 plus x plus 1 over x bracket plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we have the same terms x plus 1 over x and x plus 1 over x. So we can substitute here. What we will substitute? We will substitute here let yes, t is equal to x plus 1 over x. We are going to substitute x plus 1 over x is equal to t. So here we will get t square minus 2 plus t plus 1 is equal to 0. T square minus t square plus t plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. We will subtract 1 from minus 2, t square plus t plus minus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. So to solve this quadratic equation, we will use a quadratic formula. So we will write here write as t is equal to minus 1. Here b is equal to 1 plus minus square root. Discriminant will be 1 minus 4, 1 and 1. A and C are 1 divided by over 2. So t is equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 1 plus 4 divided by 2. So that is equal to t is equal to minus 1 plus minus 5. Square root 5 divided by 2. So t will be equal to t1 minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, where our t is equal to 1 over x. So t square, second root minus 1 plus minus 1 minus square root 5 divided by 2, where t is equal to x plus 1 over x. So here we will deal two cases. Okay, in case 1, we have one value of t, and in case 2, we have the other value of t, and we will solve for both cases. So for the case 1, we will use the value of t1, case 1, when t is equal to, t1 is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2, where t is equal to x plus 1 over x. So we will put the value of t, x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2. So we will simplify both sides. We will write here, yes, we will write here x 1 plus 1 over x minus 1 plus square root 5 divided by 2. So we will cross multiply. 2x square plus 2 is equal to x bracket minus 1 plus square root 5. So we will take this expression towards the on the left hand side, and we will write as 2x square plus 2 minus x bracket minus 1 plus square root 5 is equal to 0. So it is we can arrange this expression 2x square minus x square root 5 minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation. Now we will solve it for x, and we will write it as x is equal to square root 5 minus 1, because b is square root 5 minus 1, plus minus our discriminant will be bracket square root 5 minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 times 2 times 2 over 2 times 2. So we will get here square root 5 minus 1 plus minus square root 5 minus 2 into square root 5 minus plus 1 minus 16. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 over 4 is equal to square root 5 minus 1 plus minus. So we will simplify it and we will get minus 2 square root 5 minus 10 over 4. It is equal to square root 5 minus 1 plus minus square root. We will take minus as common and we will get 2 square root 5 minus 10 divided by 4. So is equal to square root 5 minus 1 plus minus, this minus 1 will be I, it's a complex number, square root, and we will left with 2 square root 5 minus 10 over 4. So we will get now roots from here. So x is equal to square root 5. We will divide every term with the 4. So square root 5 divided by 4 minus 1 over 4 plus minus I square root 5 over 8 plus 5 over 8. We have divided every term with 4. So next we will get x is x. Next we get the roots x2 square root 5 divided by 4 I square root 5 over 8 plus 5 over 8. So this is the second root. So third root will be square root 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 minus I. Now here we will take minus I square root 5 over 8 5 over 8. So these are two complex roots which we have got in case 1, x2 and x3. We know that the x1 is equal to 1. So now we will handle the second case here, where t2 is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 divided by 2. So now we will handle this case and we will find out the values of x, roots of x, by using case 2. So case 2, t2 is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 divided by 4 2, where t is equal to x plus 1 over x. So we will put the value of t, x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. We will simplify it, x square plus 1 divided by x is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. We will cross multiply them and we will get 2x square plus 2 is equal to x into minus 1 minus square root 5. So we will take this expression towards to the left hand side. 2x square plus 2 minus x minus 1 minus square root 5 is equal to 0. So here 2x square plus 2 minus, we will take minus 1 common and we will arrange it, square root 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 2, this minus will become positive, plus x into square root 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation again. We will solve it for x. We will use the quadratic formula again. X is equal to, here x is equal to minus square root 5 plus 1. So it is plus minus square root 5 plus 1 whole square, because it is our b, minus 4 into 2 into 2 because A is 2 and C is 2 over 2 into 2. A is 2. So here we will get minus square root 5 minus 1 plus minus. We will simplify it and we will get 5 plus 2 into square root 5 minus, plus 1 minus 16 over 4 minus square root minus 1 plus minus. Here we will get 2 into square root 5 minus 10 divided by 4. Yes. Okay. Now what we will get? Minus square root 5 minus 1 plus minus. So here we will take minus as common and we will get 10 plus 2 into square root 5 square root over 4. Here minus 1 is I. So we will write the expression minus square root 5 minus 1 plus minus square root I square root. I is the complex number. We will write I in place of minus 1 square root. So I into square root 10 minus 2 into square root 5 over 4. So it is equal to x is equal to square root 5 over 4. We will divide every term with 4 minus 1 over 4 plus minus I square root 5 over 8 plus 5 over 8 minus square root 5 divided by 8. X is equal to minus 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus minus I 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. So it was our fourth root and the fifth root is minus square root 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 minus I square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. So these are the fourth and the fifth roots. These are also complex roots. So we are going to write all the roots together so that everything is clear at the end of the question. So we have one real root and the 4 complex roots. So I'm going to write all the roots together here. X is equal to x1 was equal to 1. It was the real root. And x2, the second root was equals to square root 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus I square root 5 over 8 plus 5 square root 5 over 8. The third root was square root 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 minus I square root 5 over 8 plus square root 5 over 8. The fourth root is equal to minus, that's the fourth root. It is also complex root. The fourth root is equal to minus square root 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus I square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. And the fifth root, x5 is equal to minus square root 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 minus I square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8. So the first root is the real root and the second root is the complex root. The third one is also complex root. The fourth one is also complex root. And the fifth one is also complex root. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more solutions. See you in the next one. Bye.